£600 million. That's how much it will cost to clear the hundreds of coal tips across Wales, at least. And those coal tips are a daily reminder of the scars the mining industry left on our communities. Just before Christmas, Storm Bert reminded us just how dangerous these tips can be, because in the mountain above Cwm Tyleri, a coal tip was brought down over a street, and that brought mud and sludge into people's homes. Our communities truly live in fear and in the shadow of these tips, wondering always what might happen next time it rains heavily. And yet the UK government is doing the very least it can do to right this wrong. So out of the 600 million or so that is needed to clear these tips, the Welsh government only asked for £25 million towards clearing the tips. And they've also failed to secure any guarantee of more money being on the way. It is Westminster's duty to clear these tips. These tips are relics from a time before any Welsh government or any Senedd even existed. A gyda mwy o stormydd yn digwydd oherwydd yr argyfwng hinsawdd, allem ni ddim fforddio oedi yn fwy. Mae'n rhaid i San Steffan dalu arian yma nawr. Our communities can't afford to wait any longer.